Welcome, today I am with Nokia C20 and I will show you all modes and all features that you can find in the camera and the smartphone. So let's open the camera and I will show you everything that's here. So, as you can see, there it is. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.